Alright, I'm gonna try this little pocket right here. The wind has kicked up a little bit. It's semi-cloud cover. Wind has picked up. I got on the woolly bug. Wind feels good, but let's see if anybody's chilling up in this corner. It wants the woolly bug. Oh boy, somebody is up there. Oh yeah. I looked away for a minute. It's a good fish. Yeah, I looked away for a minute. And there he was. I don't want him to turn. But I got to. That's a good one. Another good one. Come on, pal. I know you want to come. Oh yeah, another good one. That was great. Oh, it's another nice fish too. Look at the woolly bug, man. It's